Hemet Valley Mall. Our mall is under repair. We're gonna take Ivan's iPad. We'll see if the repairman can fix it. Where did they go? They left me. Oh, there they are.
Okay, so here's the sound of a bazooka. And here's what I can hear. This is what I can hear. Here's what I can hear. That's all.
Put the pins there. It's just the pin that's stuck in there.
The rest of that,
detail.
yeah, the rest of the stuff, I don't think I can fix it. Only maybe that little job. Check it out.
What is it? I can't wait.
Look at Ivan.
It's family Christmas. Do you have to do this in serious?
So you gotta come your dish that is now. So you come out of the cold, then it goes into a Y, and one cold water goes to the water, and one cold water. It's not actually required.
Don't jump on the bed, okay? It's not people's bed. She like when your mom rubs her legs.
We're in Sears. We're waiting for Ivan's iPad in the repair shop.
We're getting it fixed, so now I can actually watch.
And the guy said 45 minutes, and we got.
Actually hear them.
And the guy said, the repairman said it takes 25 minutes or 45 minutes.
They take them 45 minutes.
So
And
it's
$25.
$25 just to. Can you tell them, honey, what they need to do?
Pull the pin.
They're pulling the jack out.
Pull the jack out of the
Pulling
earphone plug.
the jack out.
Let me show Leilani. Grandpa. There's Leilani, oh. Good thing nobody's around.
Yeah, if you notice, we're having a party we just be partying.
And then let me see.
Ow!
Hi.
My toe. I stole my toe. Socks. Smell the stink. Yeah, my feet are sweating. It's so bad.
Fix your shorts. Pull up your shorts up.
Okay, pull up my shirt. Got it.
Ivan.
What? You said pull up my shirt. Oh,
Up.
shorts.
Now we have the hour-by-hour forecast, everything you need to know about the weather, any advisories which are issued, they can be found right here on our NBC LA app. You can take advantage of that, go to your neighborhood and get the details.
What's in the meal? What's in the, what kind? Oh, this one. I didn't get what you ordered. Hey, where's the receipt, Grandpa?